Yes, today we are going to install this driving assist plus package into this G30 2017. Okay, you can see the steering wheel now, right? Okay, come with ID6 yet. Yeah. So we will install basically 3 front radars and the 2 rear radars. Yeah, 2 rear radar, 3 front radar. Okay, and change the mirror module and driving assist module or the steering wheel button vibrator in the wheel. Yeah, there's blind spot triangle light, right? Okay, a bit moisture here. Okay, this is the triangle light on the each side. Thank you. Yeah, we have installed the driving assist package for this G30. Yeah, and the other side, and the front 3 radars. You can see. Yeah. Okay, this is the car. The 2 front cameras. Yeah. 1 radar inside here, and radar here. Okay, can you see? Yeah, this is radar mounting in front. Okay, the other one radar is inside here. This is 4 radars, and another one SAS module is on the passenger's four-wheel side. Okay, SAS module. Camera. The steering wheel button also changed to the high spec. You can see this button is for changing the distance between you and the front vehicle. This button is turning on steering wheel assist. This is the turn on off the cruise control. This is adjust the speed. Okay, and we have done all the coatings, so you can see. Yeah, you can see this this button. If you turn it on, yeah, you can see this all the menus coming out, like a pedestrian alert and a collision warning, early, immediate, or late, right? And this feature is working before we do. This car comes with it. Lane departure warning, you can turn it always, reduced or off. Or you don't want the steering wheel intervention, you just untick it, right? And then we can also see when this intervention will happen. That means after above the 70 km/h. Lane change assist, you can change to early, medium, late, or off. Okay, this is the blind spot warning, actually, same meaning. And the steering wheel intervention is intervention. This is in Mercedes language, it's called adaptive or active. Okay, side collision warning, you want to turn it on or not. Yeah, warning of possible side collision above 70 km/h. Okay, you can turn it on or off if you don't want. Okay, so we everything is on as default, so you can drive the car. Okay, we start the engine. You can see some difference inside the instrument cluster. Yeah, this is the first thing is digital. This is called traffic sign assist, or we call it speed limit info. Okay, inside the vehicle setting. Okay, you can see one extra menu which is called steering wheel vibration, which was not available here. Yeah, because we have installed the vibrator motor and the vibrator module inside the wheel. Yeah. And you can set to medium, strong, or light. Okay, and there is a AI drive setting inside the display. Oh yeah, display here. Okay, you can see the instrument cluster. Okay, you can see the speed limit exceeded. You toggle on off, right? Individual, you choose individual, then you can choose on off the speed limit info. Okay, this one is like when you do the driving, if your car is over speed of the road, then you can see this red circle, red marking means how much you exceed the speed limit. Yeah, we turn on the engine, then we can press this active cruise control. You see. So if we set the speed, yeah, we still engage the D. You see, it's in drive D, and then we can go. Right, but you can see in front I've got something in front, so you cannot go further, right? See? Okay, once activate, you can see this steering wheel angle. You can also do this distance change in between you and from vehicle, right? Okay, on and off this so-called steering wheel assist. Yeah, after we turn on the engine, right, the engine is running now, so we can see in front we got a big truck, and now we can do this stationary play around, right? We are not going to on the road now, so we can turn on and off the steering wheel assist by this button. Off, on, additional press brake. Okay, off, on,